my people, now welcome back again to a lot of boga crazy update. Una know as dey be, abeg make una like this video, share, comment, and at the same time subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime when I drop new video for you, una go dey see on one hand. Press that bell notification so that you go dey get notification where any new video enter. Alright my people, without wasting no time, may we enter the matter wey carry us come here. Alright my people, make una check out this guy, this post. This guy don provoke, call out Regina Daniel mama for this post. He say because una dey see the recent update wey dey happen concerning the marriage wey Regina Daniel mama go do, the woman wey dey call Rita Daniel. Wetin people don dey react for this same marriage now, they say you go give your small daughter to one kind old man make him marry just because of money. So you yourself, you know say fresh bola sweet, young guy sweet for your body, then you can go marry one kind young man where you know say the thing e really sweet and it's supposed to be like that. So make una check out wetin this guy post for here as he take insult this woman. This guy just call this woman hard and say ashewo mama, and this guy tag this woman put. Then Mona check the reply wey this woman give the guy. He say you are not worthy to have a mother. If you this small shit can call someone mother ashewo, anyway your mother shall never rest in peace but in pieces. And this same guy reply this woman, the tenor say you will join my mother soon. Rita, rest in peace in advance. Your children will cry or your grief soon. Just imagine, some people they really the vex, but really I not just know what I really need to talk concerning this issue. Just drop your comment and opinion concerning this way this woman do and where she still fit to open eye give her daughter to that kind of old man. And I dey hear some rumors say the same girl, the daughter, which is Regina Daniel, they really the vex for this marriage wey im mama do. Alright my people, drop your comment and opinion below. May you tell me what you really reason concerning this woman. May we enter another matter. My people, make una check out this our sister wey be say God just save her comot for the hand of kidnapper. And at the same time, those people they don't just be only kidnapper. At the same time, they be ritualists. They sell human parts. This lady, they try to one narrate and give her testimony, and in a way where be say things still happen, where they take capture her, the place where they put her, things where really they happen for there. And I believe say this country where we dey so, this country, Nigeria, nothing really dey safe, nobody really dey safe. A lot of things they happen. And they try to share this video to everybody, to every one of us. And as you see this video, I beg, may you try still share it so that we go try to encourage and advise ourselves, your loved ones, your sister, everyone, make we know the kind movement where we dey take and the kind of things where they happen, things they really they happen, my people. Make I share this video more and see the way this our sister they narrate this thing, her experience concerning waiting she see for one place inside bush where they carry and go, waiting really they happen. Alright, make I drop the video, make una still see her, make you give your own comment and your opinion concerning wetin dey happen for this our country where we dey so. Alright my brother, make una feel the video.
Good evening my people. I want to explain wetin happened to me on my way from work to my house. I take tinted keke mini bus that is going to St. John's, Iwofe Road. As I enter, I'm not the only one there. No be me be the only person. As we gather enter the bus bar, now per knife with gun, now we see. They say everybody silent, if not they will kill you. The next thing they open one cooler, human being pass, breast, everything there inside with ice block. They say if we talk, then go kill us. We reach police checking point. Police people know they even they check motor, waiting they happen. Their own are to take ransom. They go 100 naira. We no fit shout, we no fit do anything because we there for death point. We endure till before we find ourselves. Now inside a local government, inside forest, where they sell human pass. People they come there, they drive motor, they come buy human pass, put for fufla schooler, carry go their house. They say 2023 election they come. Now waiting then talk. When I hear things they happen, people they die every day. People they die every day for Nigeria. People they miss every day for Nigeria. See what thing they do to me. See what thing they do to me. Then carry me on Sunday, which is on the 23rd of May. They released me around 8. After they said my people should pay some. After they said my people should pay some ransom. They touched my breast. They say you don't born. Go this side. Say you know day of no use. Say then they find people who never born. Then they slaughter them. People when they kill like 7 people for my present with my koro eye. Now so they cry. I say God, my pikin God, wetin I want tell people. My people no know where are they. The next thing they take my naked photo. They send them to my people. They say my people should pay ransom of 3 million naira. We no get the money. Now so we beg. Now so friends from different angle come they help. They provide. Now so they take gather. The little one where they gather. Beg them with God. I beg them, cry. People they die. Even one lady where they sick asthma. She died on top of my leg. Then throw her inside the pit bar. Then they put people, cut people. People they select how much with this part, then they buy, they go. Mona do something. Nigerians, I beg, we they die for River State. Then they keep people for River State, mini bus, tinted bus. Where they go, those keke tinted bus, where they go, all of them, they are risky. Please, Facebook friends. I saw somebody where come meet me for there. She said she find person from Lagos. Come that place. I say, what you can do for that place? You know, see man for Lagos. You find man who come here. Yeah. Yesterday, then kill the lady, slaughter her, sell her pass. She never born one pikin. Things they happen for River State. Young girls, young boys, small children, and they carry. People they miss for inside the country where we dey, but we don't know. You go see your fellow neighbor, you never see him 1 week, you don't know where in day. You don't know whether they don't kidnap him. Kidnappers. Then they say human being pass. People they come there, come by. My people, more na fight against this thing. Human slaughter. I beg. The place where they carry me go, the only thing I remember, them blindfold me. After my people don't cooperate with them, finish them, blindfold me, carry me, come out. The only thing I can remember when I raise my eye, now Catholic Church of Nigeria, now see, for a Che local government. Now so, are they there? Police call. Say people come to pay ransom, then carry police people from River State, they come. Say make them shift us, go inside another camp, inside the forest. Say then they come. Now waiting police people, they bargain with those people. The chief, everybody of that local government, they know what is going on there. Please, you people should help. People are dying. There are more people there. Victims are there. They are selling human parts. They keep iron table. When they take, they slaughter people. Almost 7 people died.
All right, my people. Hope so now enjoyed that little short video. If you really like that video, I bet make you like, share, and comment. At the same time, subscribe to my YouTube channel as Baba K TV. Press the bell notification so that anytime when I drop your video, you will be the first person to see on one hand. All right, God bless you, my people, as you kindly do that.